Ever wished your Instagram notes could sing? Good news! You can now unmute them and bring your audio to life. Let's dive into how to restore audio to your shared notes on Instagram, turning those silent whispers into captivating soundscapes. First, open your Instagram app, head over to your direct messages, where you'll find your notes section right at the top. Now, locate the note you want to unmute. You'll know if it's currently muted by a subtle indicator, or if you've simply forgotten to add audio. Tap on the note itself. This action brings up a new interface where you can edit or manage it. Look for an option to edit audio, or a similar prompt. This is your gateway to reintroducing sound. Tap on Add Audio or Record. You can either record a brand new audio clip, a circumflex euros, perhaps a musical thought, a quick thought, or even a funny sound effect, a circumflex euros, or select from existing audio if the feature allows. Once you've recorded or selected your audio, press Done or Save. This crucial step attaches the sound to your note. Finally, tap Share or Update to post your Reaudified note. Your followers will now be able to hear your creative expressions. See, that silent thought now has a voice, ready to engage your followers in a whole new way. It's all about bringing that interactive charm back to your Instagram experience. Happy sharing with Sound On.